three big ICC trophies back to back: World Cup, Champions Trophy and World T20 2014. Welcome to our special Battleground T20 from Bangladesh, Dhaka, and I'm right in front of the team hotel, Pan Pacific Sonargaon. I'm Sameep Rajguru. But before we go into how India can win this trophy, I would like to take you through the memory lanes of India's highs and lows in this championship.
The day that marked a new era in Indian cricket under Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The first ICC T20 World Cup in 2007.
No one expecting them to win, and they've gone on to win the first edition of cricket's youngest child.
And it was Team India who celebrated at the podium in Wanderers.
It was an absolutely fantastic moment. Two young feet.
The success had such an impact that the Indian Premier League was born a year later. In 2 years, India produced a plethora of talent to play the shortest format. But Team India could never replicate that winning mantra they had in South Africa.
It's gone, look right, takes a catch.
The men in blue failed to defend their T20 crown 2 years later in England, failing to win a single game in the Super 8s. The 2010 edition in West Indies saw new faces in the India fold, but it was deja vu for Dhoni's men. The inexperience proved costly. They once again lost all 3 matches in the Super 8s. Critics questioned India's credentials in the 20-over format despite grooming so much young talent through the Indian Premier League. So the selectors offered Dhoni a much better unit for the next T20 World Cup hosted by Sri Lanka. With veterans Virender Sehwag and Irfan Pathan returning, India looked a formidable side.
Well, this one's hit much harder, so this will go for 4.
They were unfortunate to lose out on a semi-final spot after having finished level on points with South Africa and Pakistan.
Oh, there you go. He's bludgeoned them in true Afridi style.
But in the end, the team only had itself to blame for leaving it too late.
No chance for Balaji.
India have managed 12 wins in the 22 matches they have played in all 4 ICC T20 World Cup. But 5 of those came in the first edition, which they won. This year, India head to the World T20 Championship, hoping to recreate history. Dhoni and co will look to improve their poor record in the last 3 editions and hopefully repeat what they did in 2007.
It's time for the Indian team to rock. It's been an outstanding performance.
With Ashwin Kanumarat, Karishma Singh headlines today.
It all started here for MS Dhoni. A young, brash-looking small-town guy took India to the first World T20 title. If it was tough and unexpected then, it is going to be harder and expected now. The challenges for Team India are not going to be easy. Let's look at the challenges for MS Dhoni and his boys in blue.
India, the World TT champions.
Indian captain MS Dhoni is back to where it all started, the T20 Championships. In 2007, it was right in this championship that Dhoni was crowned king. And now Dhoni will be looking at the same event to redeem his reputation as a captain par excellence. And the captain cool will now be leading a dream T20 team to the 2014 World Cup. Prince Yuvraj, a Virat run getter, a roaring lion and one of the best all-rounders in the world. Dhoni knows that just like the team's superb batting, the bowling department will play an important role in the team's campaign. The captain has shown full faith in his bowlers, saying they have the experience to perform in the World T20. Mahendra Singh Dhoni, defending his bowlers, added this will be their biggest challenge and it will be important to execute their plans to the T. While Dhoni is banking on the bowlers, the team will be looking up to the captain to guide the team to new heights. And Dhoni will be raring to have a crack at the opposition after resting his overworked body. For the world, the fun and games of T20 are about to begin. But for India's captain, this will be another test of skill, stamina and strength. Karishma Singh headlines today.
How crucial will be Dhoni as a captain can't be overstated. But how crucial will he be as a player, as a slog over specialist, as an anchor who can guide the entire team, as a cool mentor? If Dhoni can do what he does best with his bat, half of India's worries will be kicked out of the park. Here's why.
These are tough times for MS Dhoni. There was a time when Dhoni could do no wrong. But the law of averages has caught up. But the fact remains that Team India needs Dhoni as a captain and as a player.
Definitely, because Dhoni is an excellent captain. I think he's been around for the last almost 6-7 years. He's an experienced campaigner. And he has won so many matches plus batting as well, because he's a crucial player at number 6 and is a good keeper also.
Yes, that's the bottom line. Dhoni is a match winner, a batsman who thrives under pressure, a player who can accelerate the scoring rate at will. And his record in T20 tells the story. In 40 matches, Dhoni has 772 runs at a very healthy average of 32. However, Dhoni has another mountain staring at him. In the calendar year of 2013, Mahi played only one T20 match. But the captain is not bothered about that thanks to the IPL.
Most of the teams, if you see, don't play a lot of T20, and especially with the kind of schedule that we have got, I don't think we'll be able to accommodate more than 1 or 2 maybe T20. So that's something that we'll always face. But at the same time, you've got IPL where we play with the best of the players, and the standard is as high as an international standard. So that really amounts to the experience that really needed at this level.
But that's not all. After winning the World T20 in 2007, Dhoni has not managed to win the trophy again. In 2009, India made it to the Super 8. Ditto in 2010. 2012 was no different, but Team India did put up a better show.
Well, last year we didn't qualify, but we won 5 games, and as of now, if you talk about the ratings, we are rated very high up in the rating.
The world now has their eyes cast on Dhoni. And Dhoni, the player, the batsman, the captain, has to bring out his A game to the table. It's time for the match winner in Dhoni to come to the fore and get India's preparation to the 2015 World Cup back on track. With Anant Nyunt, Karishma Singh, headlines today.
The performance by Team India in Asia Cup left a lot to be desired. Lots of young faces got chances to prove themselves, but they couldn't. But if India wants to do well in Bangladesh in World T20, they will have to step up. Let's look at 4 players whose performance will not just be crucial for Team India, but also for their own future.
In late 2013, Rohit Sharma had finally turned a page. A man dubbed as a perennial underachiever, someone who just wasn't able to realize his true potential. Rohit had finally hit his stride.
Well, he's just in the ears back here.
He had crossed the mental hurdle which kept him from becoming a match-winning force and notching up big innings. An opening slot seemed to do the trick. But once again, it seems Rohit has lost the touch. And come World T20, he will need to find his mojo back.
What a way to bring up 200 in one-day internationals. They call him Hitman.
In the only T20 match UV played in the last 12 months against Australia, he smashed a 77 not out to knock the Aussies out of the park. But his performance in ODIs dipped so much, with an average of just 16.85, that he lost his place in both formats.
Well, he hits the gap.
Now Captain Dhoni has shown faith in this 6-6s man to turn on the magic again.
It's 4 in a row.
For his sake too, UV would hope he's at his best when the World T20 starts.
Last ball of the innings. And he's put it away. Or has he? Yes, into the crowd. 6 sixes in it.
A man known for his swing and early wickets, Bhuvi failed to pick up a single wicket in his first spell in the Asia Cup. Otherwise too, he picked just 3 wickets, all in the death when batsmen were anyways trying to accelerate. The young pacer seems to be struggling with his death bowling, and with this break, he needs to figure out how to bring his potency with the new ball back.
Hold of that one, all right.
A sight that must be haunting Varun Aaron even now. The only way to get over it is to do better in World T20 now. Aaron has seriously hampered his chances of being a regular in the playing 11. But with India's weak attack and low options, Aaron should be ready with his best in Bangladesh. Shivani Gupta, Headlines Today.